I want to talk about the difference between WordPress's media library and galleries for individual posts and pages. This can be a bit of a confusing relationship. Let's go over here and look at our media library first of all. You just click on library there. The media library is a list of absolutely everything, images, PDFs, videos, whatever you've uploaded as media into WordPress ultimately goes into this media library. So it means that you can choose from anything in the library and put it anywhere on the website. It's very, very handy. Now, when it comes to individual posts, they can have what are called galleries. Now, I'm going to the Upload Insert button here so we can take a look. Now, this particular post, as we can see here, let's have a quick peek at it. This particular post has no images in it. Now, it could have some images in its gallery, but it doesn't even have a gallery. You notice here it just says from computer, from URL, and media library. There's nothing here that's in a gallery for this particular post. Let's add something to this post right now. Let's just plug in an image here. It doesn't really matter. And what I don't even have to insert it into the post. I can just save all changes. And now look what happens. Look at that. Now there's a gallery listing here. And gallery means that I uploaded this particular image while I was in this post. So by doing that, I've kind of associated that image with this particular post. Now, the images in the media library, look at this. There it is right there, Resort 1. So it's there, but it's also in this gallery. And in fact, let's go back over to the media library for a moment, and I'm just going to hit refresh here. Okay, so there's our new resort image that we put in. Notice it says here, attached to Jamaica Beach Tour. Attached really means it's in the gallery of this particular post. And you can see down here, some of these are unattached, some are attached. It depends how they were uploaded. These ones were uploaded directly into the media library. That's why they're not attached to anything. They're not in the gallery of any particular one. Now, what's the purpose of this gallery? Well, let's take a look at one where we've actually employed a gallery. We'll go over to posts here. If we go over to Montego Bay Weekend here, you'll see this. See this image down here? This represents the gallery of this post inserted into the text of it. Now, if I go over here, I go to this, I see my gallery. There it is. Any media attached to this post is called the gallery. Then this is an image gallery that's inserted into the post. So that's where it can get a bit confusing with all this terminology. The gallery is the list of all media. An image gallery is just the set of images inserted into the post. And then the media library is a list of all images, videos, PDFs, any media from the entire website. So hopefully that clarifies